But you know, they said, hey, we give you the code, and you need a job. I ain't got nothing for you, bro. Look, this ain't even my lot right here, bro. Look, you say I'm just stunned. Nah, bro. I'm, bro, I ain't got no job. But look, I'm up here charging my car. I ain't even from this area. I appreciate you though, bro. Okay, so let's start this over. So, I got a question for you guys. Listen, do you guys remember this spot right here? Yes, it's that same First Avenue South Tesla supercharging location that I highlighted in a video prior. And I put a card up, but this is the surprise here. We got a lounge now. So as you guys see, I'm back at the Birmingham, Alabama First Avenue South Tesla supercharging location. Now, the first time that I came here, you guys saw that I said, hey, there's nothing here. You know, this place is basically desolate. Why would Tesla put these superchargers in this particular location? But it has come to my knowledge that there is something here. Now, shouts out to my guy, Canyon K. He's one of my viewers. He said, hey, I think you need to go back to that Tesla supercharging location because they have a lounge there. Listen, which I didn't even know. But yes, they have a lounge here at the Birmingham, Alabama First Avenue South exit, supercharger location. So I'm gonna turn it around here, back in that particular building right here. Can you see that building? That little building right there. There is a small Tesla lounge that Tesla has put in there for us, you know, Tesla drivers or, you know, EV drivers who come and charge the vehicle here at that particular location. There is a lounge in there. And so I'm going to get ready to show you guys inside the lounge. So without further ado, like I said, this is going to be a pretty short video. So guys, just continue to tune in. I'm going to show you this particular lounge. And I hope you guys are being affected by this wind noise. This wind noise is outrageous out here. And I don't have my mic with the wind muff on it. So, hey. Before we go in, I want to share a little bit about the drive over. Now on the Tesla navigation, there's going to be a code displayed. Now I'm going to blur it out here because I don't know if Tesla periodically changes it or not, and I definitely don't want to voluntarily give the code out to anybody who don't supposed to have it. But this is the access code to enter the lounge. Now you put that access code into this smart lock right here, and you get access to the lounge. So now that that's out the way, let's see the lounge. Now, before you say anything, listen, I know. You're probably saying, is this the lounge? Yes, it's small. But if you stick with me to the end of the video, I'm going to share why I think this is going to be a good thing in my final thoughts. Now that that's out the way, let's continue our tour. When you first walk into the lounge, of course, the first thing you notice is the size. But that kind of figures because it seems like the lounge was converted from some sort of small office. They have these student type chairs to relax in. They have 2 fully stocked vending machines and 2 clean restrooms. So, hey, you know, ain't too much you can ask for. So, that's it for the inside. Let's check out what's going on outside. So, as you already know, it's pretty desolate on the outside. There's nothing to do pretty much besides charge a vehicle when you're outside. Now, this is a one-way street, so it gets pretty busy, but the buildings, they are kind of like what we call bay door businesses, and I think most of them may be unoccupied. So as you'll see in my final thoughts, I got a pretty good hunch what's about to go on. Now, as you look across the street, you might just think it's just weeds and shrubbery, But there is a walking trail down there. So as I end this video, my final conclusion is this right here. I'm still trying to figure out why, Tesla put these, chargers in this particular area. Even though we have a lounge here, I still think Tesla may be getting ready to do something else in this particular area because, again, like I said, we have 27 stalls here, 27 to 28 stalls, and that small of a lounge will not accommodate if this supercharger spot gets really, really busy. So again, I still think Tesla has something up their sleeve about, maybe they're getting ready to put a restaurant. I've heard people talk about restaurants. I heard people talking about, the robo-taxi spots and stuff like that or whatever. But I'm hopeful, something for us as Tesla owners and Tesla drivers or EV drivers again that visit this particular location. So I'm hopeful that it may be something like a restaurant or something like that, or maybe a bigger lounge or something like that. Now again, I hope this wind is not affecting you guys because it's real windy out here, but it feels really, really good. And that's, usually in Birmingham, it really, we really don't have a lot of bad weather here in Birmingham. So again, that little building back there, that is, I'll put it up a little bit. Ooh, the sun too. That is our lounge there. So, hey, beggars can't be choosy. So again, whether how small it is, we can go use the restroom. We can go grab a Coke or, grab a cold coffee or something like that or whatever. So, hey, listen, I'm just grateful that we got somewhere that we can sit down and, just kind of chill for the time being. So that's it, guys. Listen, so if you enjoyed this particular video right here, look at this particular video right here. All right, check out this video right here, and you guys will probably love it and enjoy it. Deuces.